Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In the Playwright series, in the last series we discussed about different features about Playwright, and we just compare between different architectures like Playwright, Selenium and Cypress, and we compare that. I highly recommend whoever not attend that series, please go back and see that series so that you will get the idea. In this session, we are going to discuss supported browsers in Playwright. So basically Playwright supports three major browser engines covering all popular browsers in the market. That is Chromium, which is Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Brave. It is most commonly used engine, ideal for testing Chrome-based apps. Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, ensures compatibility with non-Chromium browsers. WebKit, that is Apple Safari, used for Safari testing on Mac OS and iOS, unique feature that most frameworks lack. What are the key advantages? Playwright controls these browsers directly using their native DevTools protocol, not via WebDriver like in Selenium. So how exactly Playwright controls this? Playwright controls these browsers, that is directly using their native DevTools protocol. Playwright directly use their native DevTools protocol and control these browsers. This gives faster execution, more reliable automation, better access to modern web APIs. Okay. Let's discuss the program. Launching browsers example. Let's say we have one class, that is browser launch example. In that we are going to create or launch different browsers like public static void main string RGS, playwright is equal to playwright.create, launch, let's say launch Chromium, that is Chrome or Edge. Browser Chromium is equal to playwright.chromium.launch, new browser type.launch options .set headless false, chromium.new page.navigate, https:// let's say www.google.com. With that we will use, for this for launching Google we will use Chromium browser. Then launch Firefox. Okay, one second. Yeah, so for launching Firefox, okay, so browser Firefox is equal to playwright.firefox.launch, new browser type.launch options .set headless false, then firefox.new page.navigate, https:// www.mozilla.org. Okay, with Mozilla or with Firefox we will open mozilla.org. Then launch WebKit, that is Safari. So browser WebKit is equal to, let's say, playwright.webkit.launch, new browser type.launch options .set headless false, webkit.new page.navigate, www.apple.com. okay, we will open apple.com page using WebKit, and after that let's close all the browsers. Okay, that's how it is. Let's create one program. Let's say, one second. Okay, let me copy the class name and I will go to IntelliJ. Here I am going to create one class, and the class name, let's say browser launch example. Okay, and I will create one main method, and what I will do, let's say, okay, so it will be playwright. Okay, playwright, let's say playwright is equal to playwright.create. okay, then let's say I will launch Chromium, launch Chromium browser. Okay, how I will launch that? Then let's write down browser. Let's say browser is equal to playwright dot launch. Okay, sorry, playwright dot chromium, I mean, okay, playwright dot chromium dot launch. Then in that I will pass new, okay, new browser type dot launch options. Okay, then dot set headless, I will make it as false. Okay, because I want to open the UI, so that's why set headless is false. Okay, then after that I will just write on browser dot new page dot navigate. Okay, then here I will just try open https://www dot google.com. Okay, then after that I will create one more browser. Let's say I will give it name as Chromium. So Chromium, let's say. Okay, and I will call this using Chromium. Okay, one second. So what I will do, I will just, yeah, it is Chromium. Okay, then let's launch Firefox. Let's launch Firefox browser. Okay, what we'll do, let's say browser, let's say Firefox is equal to, let's say playwright dot Firefox dot launch. Then I will pass new, let's say browser type dot launch options dot set headless is equal to false. Okay, then I will just write down Firefox dot new page dot navigate. Here let's say I'll just open Mozilla. Okay, one second. Yeah, let's open Mozilla. Okay, then let's open launch WebKit. Okay, let's launch WebKit browser. So browser, let's say WebKit is equal to playwright dot WebKit dot launch, and in that I will pass new browser type launch options dot set headless false. Then I will just write down WebKit dot new page dot navigate, and I'm going to open let's say https://apple.com. Okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. Basically it will open all the three browsers, and on all the three browsers it will open the particular URL. Yeah, see, it open Chromium. Okay, it open Chromium, and on that it open Google. Then then it open Firefox, and on that it open Mozilla. After that it open WebKit, and on that it open apple.com. Okay guys, that's it, absolutely working fine. Okay, that's how you can work with multiple browsers, and you can open multiple browsers. Okay, after that you can close also, like close all the browsers, like for example Chromium.close, Firefox.close, WebKit.close. That's how you can close all the browsers. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, that's how we work with multiple. We can work with multiple browsers. So what you can do? Let's after waiting, let's 10 seconds. I will just wait for. Let's say I will just wait for thread.sleep. Let's say 10 seconds. I will wait for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds I will close all the browsers. Let's say Chromium dot close. Then after that Firefox dot close. Then after that WebKit dot close. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's run this and we will see the result. Okay. Okay, it open Chromium browser, and where it open Google. Then after that it will open Firefox, and it will open Mozilla. Okay, then after that it will open WebKit, where it will open apple.com, and it will wait for 10 seconds, and it will close all the browsers. Okay, let's observe this. Yeah, see, one by one it close. Okay, absolutely working fine. Okay, that's how we can work with multiple browsers in Playwright Java. Playwright. Okay, this is the code. That's it guys. So I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel. Anything you put in the comment box, I will reply you. Share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.